Welcome to this SAP Road Map Explorer video. You will learn how to use the SAP Road Map Explorer for the industry cloud solutions. After the video, you will be able to find the 3 cloud solutions for your industry which are coming soon or are already released, to explore all the other industry cloud solutions that are relevant for your industry. SAP Road Map Explorer is the one-stop shop for all SAP roadmaps. It is now also your go-to place for the latest information on the planned and available industry cloud solutions. But what are the industry cloud solutions? Industry cloud solutions work with your existing systems to drive sustainable growth and cost-effective transformation. Built by SAP and our partners on the Business Technology Platform, Industry Cloud Solutions address your industry-specific needs. But now let's get started in SAP Road Map Explorer. You can explore the Industry Cloud Solutions roadmap in 3 steps. Select the industry you are interested in. All industries marked with a blue dot offer the Industry Cloud view. We will select Retail. Now scroll down to the Industry Cloud section. Here, you will see the 3 Industry Cloud solutions relevant for retail, which are coming soon or are recently released. Explore all Industry Cloud solutions for retail by clicking on Show All Industry Cloud Solutions. The orange color coding at the left indicates that this Industry Cloud solution is not released yet, and the blue color indicates the solution is already available. You can easily identify whether this Industry Cloud solution is built by SAP or our partners. Don't miss the powerful filter function, which allows you to look for specific themes you are interested in. You can continue exploring even more by clicking SAP Store, by clicking View Roadmap Items. Go to roadmaps.sap.com right now and start exploring the industry cloud solutions. Extend the value of your investments and stay competitive in your industry. Dive into more details on the Industry Cloud on SAP community and visit the topic page of SAP Road Map Explorer for the most up-to-date information, upcoming events, and community engagement.